Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to pay Salesforce Invoice. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Paying a Salesforce invoice is a straightforward process, but the specific steps can vary depending on your organization setup and payment method. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to navigate to the gear icon where you can see your account, and that will lead you to the bills and payments. As you can see, I haven't subscribed yet, but if you do have, you will see the plan that you are subscribed to. Alright, because when you subscribe, you can manage your plan, licenses, and billing information right here. Alright, if you want to sign up, all you have to do is select the plan that you wanted. Is it going to be the professional Salesforce plan, which is going to be $80 per month, or the enterprise, which is billed as $165 per month, which is going to be billed annually. If you choose this one, just click on Let's Go option, and you just have to choose the number of users you wanted. This subscription requires an annual contract, and they can't accommodate cancellations until renewal time. If you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on Checkout. And the most important thing is basically here. Put your credit card number, expiration date, billing address, and a lot more. Once you've done that, you would be able to view the invoice right here. And this is the same invoice that you are going to pay whenever you have the recurring fee every month. All right, that's it. That's basically it. Now, if you are having problems paying your Salesforce invoice here in your account, you might want to hover to the upper right corner and click the question mark Salesforce Help. I want you to click on the Get Support. Click and confirm, and you would be forwarded to another page. Wait for it. Now, all I have to do is click the option to create a case. Click that. You would be forwarded here in this section. And put in some files like screenshot or drop a file seal and create a case. One of the Salesforce contact support will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to pay your Salesforce invoice. You see, there's a lot of potential solutions that they have provided. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.